Welcome back to the channel, guys. So the Bog Walk Gorge in St. Catherine is still a place shrouded in mystery and intrigue for some persons. It's a place where many persons are fascinated with. It's a place where many persons fear, and the infamous flat bridge along the gorge is a place where many drivers in Jamaica still have a fear of driving across, and many persons have a fear of driving in the gorge by itself. You understand? That area has claimed many lives, some because of reckless and dangerous driving, some because of speeding, some because of unnecessary and faulty overtaking. But we're seeing where the trend continues. A accident occurred about 7:30 this morning, I think, in the gorge, where one male occupant of a Honda Civic plunged into the river, and apparently he would have drowned. Reports are suggesting that it was speeding and he was trying to overtake. Another report is suggesting that a truck hit him and hit him off the road. We don't know exactly what yet, because the police have not confirmed either of those claims or speculation. However, his accident and his death would have led to massive traffic pile-up and congestion along the corridor, and many motorists were a bit peeved about it.
Them could have called all the traffic, call down a Spanish town and make them block off the traffic down there. So that's all me I say. Because they're not supposed, when me see now, I know gunshot, I know shoot up the car and them a block the road. So that don't make sense.
My concern is this, right? 7 people down by a flat bridge, and this never happened. We cancel accident can be done days after an accident, don't it? Days after it can be done. And this inspector blocked off the road for what? On the whole country. The whole country shut down because of one inspector. I want an hour meeting like this, over an hour. More than an hour meeting like this. We're not gonna so the whole country locked down because of one inspector. 100 yards. If you're yellow tape, look at. Look at, I said that I have less than 100 yards. Not to 25 yards, I have yellow coffee wood. You see my idiot, man?
Up to news time and up to the point of me recording this video, his name has not yet been released. However, there are theories circling that he is a correctional officer who works at the adult correctional facility in St. Catherine. I cannot confirm that. His name has not yet been released, though, neither his age or where he is from. This is a amateur video that was shot when his car was being pulled out of the rear cobra by a wrecker. Have a look.
Still in the Bog Walk Gorge. Car go over in the river. Look at him, I'm going to take it out now. I'm going to see what I'm going on. Yeah, deal it. You see it. The man come from Bog Walk, I see my love. 2 men with purple. Man, do that, daddy. They're running the joke, never be. What do you want? You can take it this one. I'm on confident now, okay. You can't fight the water and be have low water. But you shouldn't hook it, so. I right place for hooking. I probably chassis that. Good man, I let it go. You start winding up already? I mean, you got a bump, but you have to take care of it. Slow do water full in it, yeah man. Normal pressure. Yo, from this one, people in place here, no move no man. Watch it. I remember a whole for wait night, you know. A 2 and 4 door car, one out.
And in class, then wine up.
Front gun park. Bog Walk company. Yeah, but on the public TV, man said that man said can't get certain.
So you can't swim. The Bog Walk can come from boy. You have to come back like we come for not 2K.
Yeah, man, try come out there. Spin for come out there. Enjoy, you know. I mean every man dead, man. You want to hear about this same man John, brother? Go like your man, I want that. The force I waiting couldn't pull it door. Force I water and couldn't pull it.
Yo, whatever licking get, whether head lick, side lick, in can't come out.
See me want to see how we do. Push out there, man. I come man, try to come out there. Nothing can't pull it. Where are you, boss? Pressure water the pan in and can't pull it. See, man. You can't see shit. See the road set up. You look out in the yard. You look at the woman in the yard. Walk and go on, you know. Because if you ever know, so this is not me that morning. Remember that left, eh? Remember that left. Yo, someone understand the gorge in the down. Someone understand the gorge like me, no. Yes, man.
Them a preach and preach, step over they go beat and teach. See them so me see, beat and teach. So beat and teach, so beat and teach, beat and teach.
So peeps, another young promising member of the society has lost his life. As I said, I don't know what are the circumstances surrounding the incident, how he ended up in the river, but based on looking at the car, it was evident that his windows were wind up. The first thing people will tell you, and if you never hear, let me tell you, and try remember, the moment you enter River Road or the gorge, if you know it as that, undo your seat belts. Remove, unlock the safety pins at your door. Wind down your windows. Why? If you unfortunately end up in the river, because one of the things, I suppose many people panic as well, so that is probably one of the main reasons. You understand? Because there's just a fear of the river itself. You understand what I'm saying? So if God forbid, you end up in the river, your seatbelt is fastened. By the time you have to pull your seatbelt, your window wind up, you do a lock. It's a dead trap that it is almost impossible for you to get out of that. You understand? The water will make it practically impossible for you to wind down the windows, because the friction that the water will create on the glass, you can't wind down your window. Worse if it's a power window, it can't go work. Next thing, the force of the water pushing against the car, it's almost impossible for you to open up the door. You understand? The most you ever try to probably kick out your windscreen or broke a window or something, and then by the time you do that, the car full of water and you drown. You understand? If your seat belt is not fastened, your windows are winding and your doors are open. You don't need to open your door, you just need to swim through your window. You understand? And if you can't swim, you just need to come out of the car and hopefully somebody is nearby. But assist you, so peeps, undo your seat belt. See, the safety lock on your door, release it. Ensure your windows are wind down. Slow down, man. Be alert. You understand me? I said, drive for you on the next man. Because some of them not drive for you, know. So you have to drive for you on him. Be on the lookout. You understand me? I say, obey the road codes. Obey the road signs. See, and try as best as possible to come out of the gorge alive. You understand? Too many lives are being lost in the gorge, and some of them should never happen. You understand? When I talk about this particular situation, because I said I don't know what are the circumstances, but many persons lose their life in the gorge, and it should never have happened. So peeps, as me I say, if nobody never tell you before, just a word to the wise is sufficient, they say. Undo your seatbelt, release the lock for your door, wind down your windows. You understand what I say? Keep a clear head, relax, obey the road code, slow down. Saying, come on, man, we need to be more careful on the road. So condolences to the family and friends of this gentleman. As I said, I don't know his name or where he is from, but I'm sure his family members, one or two of them, might see this video. So as I said, condolences again. I mean, I cannot begin to imagine how you guys must be feeling. It's never easy to lose somebody that you love and care for, but go on with it. You understand? And be strong for each other. Peeps, be careful. You understand? I'm out. Thank you for watching the video. Drop a like and a comment down below, and consider subscribing if you haven't done so as yet. Until next time, walk good.